Hey everybody, it's John McLain, Team McLain brokered by eXp Realty, and today I have an interesting market update for you for Phillipsburg, New Jersey, December 2023. This is the last market update for the year, so stay tuned. Now, before we dive into the numbers, let's talk about who this market update is for. If you're looking for a property in Phillipsburg, New Jersey, a buyer or a seller, this information is for you. This is your chance to stay informed, make educated decisions, and be able to be prepared to stay ahead of the curve in this ever-changing real estate market. So let's start with inventory. Currently, we have 1.9 months supply of inventory in Phillipsburg, New Jersey. What does that mean? Well, it just means that it will take 1.9 months for all the currently listed property to sell that is on the market without new inventory hitting the market. And let me tell you, that number is low, which means we have a high demand for real estate in Phillipsburg. In fact, the total listing count has decreased from October to November 2023 from 84 to 70, which goes with the national trend line. But wait, there's more. Over the last 12 months, we have seen a staggering decrease in the month supply of inventory by 39.91%. This tells us that the market is moving extremely quickly, and if you're a seller, it's a great time to take advantage of the high demand and low inventory levels. And speaking of getting top dollar for your home in Phillipsburg, New Jersey, the average list price to sale price is 103%. That means that sellers are getting 3% higher than their initial asking price. Now let's shift our focus to time. The average days on market sits at a mere 37 days. This means that buyers must be prepared to act swiftly and quickly if they find the property they love. And finally, let's talk numbers. The median sold price in Phillipsburg is $305,000. This is an important figure because it's giving you an idea what the average home is selling for. It's a very healthy number, and it shows a lot of potential in our local real estate market. And the median list price has decreased from $352,425 to $299,975. Now, this is just the list price. This is not the median or sold price. The median list price per square foot has also seen a decrease from $198 to $186 per square foot. So there you have it, a real estate market update for Phillipsburg that is sure to keep you interested and engaged. If you're looking to buy or sell in Phillipsburg, New Jersey, it is still a phenomenal time to make that move. It's John McLain, Team McLain brokered by eXp Realty, your go-to resource for all things living in New Jersey. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to ask us about our guaranteed home sale program. Your home sold in 14 days guaranteed, or I'll buy it myself. I'll catch you in the next one.